Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is already making waves, and we're still a while away from the official launch. With leaks and rumors swirling, it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium smartphone space. Let's break down the key features and what we might expect from Samsung's next big flagship. First up, the camera, always a major highlight in the Ultra series. There's been quite a bit of back and forth on what Samsung's planning. One early rumor claimed the familiar quad camera setup would return, but with an upgraded 50MP3x zoom lens. That rumor, however, was recently debunked by the original leaker, who admitted it was more of a wish than a fact. Now the more exciting leak points to a single, powerful 20MP periscope lens with 4x optical zoom. If this turns out to be true, it could mean a significant step forward, combining short and long-range zoom into one ultra-capable sensor. Though the source behind it isn't the most reliable, a respected leaker from China has echoed the claim, and considering similar advancements in other brands, it's a realistic direction for Samsung. Another hot topic, the S Pen. Last year's S25 Ultra removed Bluetooth support from the S Pen, a move that disappointed longtime fans who loved using it as a remote. Now, there's talk of Bluetooth making a comeback, but don't get your hopes up just yet. Cutting Bluetooth likely helped Samsung keep costs down, and given how well the S25 Ultra sold despite the change, it's unlikely the feature will return. Battery life is looking up, though. Reports suggest that S26 Ultra might come with a 5,500 mAh battery, and some sources even hint at a 6,000 mAh version. That would be a huge upgrade, especially as smartphones demand more power for high-res screens and 5G. Plus, faster charging might finally be on the table, something that would be a welcome update from the current 405 standard. Photography could get another major upgrade too, thanks to a variable aperture system. Samsung experimented with this tech before, but it was pretty limited. Now, the new version is expected to allow smooth control over aperture levels, which means better shots in low light, more depth of field control, and generally more flexibility for serious mobile photography. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip. Early tests show a massive 41% boost in performance compared to previous models. Real-world usage may vary, but if these numbers hold, this phone could be one of the fastest Android devices out there, especially with new AI features, better 5G, and smarter power management. Not everything's smooth sailing, though. The Galaxy S25 Edge, originally set for an April release, has been delayed to mid-May. It doesn't appear to be a technical issue, rather, it may be linked to changes in Samsung's leadership following the passing of a key executive. And finally, a small but nice touch, Samsung is revamping its charging animation in the upcoming One UI 8. The current animation has been seen as a bit plain, especially for a premium phone. The new one will be sleeker and more polished, just a small detail, but one that helps the whole user experience feel more premium. Alongside Android 16, One UI 8 is also expected to bring better multitasking, stronger privacy tools, and lots of other refinements.